This is the summary of How to Build Realistic Model Railroad Scenery, 3rd edition, Model Railroader Books, by Dave Frary. A cookbook approach to creating scenery like an expert that delivers predictable results every time. Teaches how to design, build, model, and finish backgrounds, mountains, hills, trees, bushes, water, dirt, and much more. Features detailed photos, techniques, and product information. This text refers to an out-of-print or unavailable edition of this title. For more hobbies and home book reviews, visit www.homebookmix.com.